How to sell digital products on Thread. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can sell digital products on Thread. So let's get into it. So Thread is, as you may all have already known, is Instagram's version of Twitter. So it works exactly the same way. You just come over here, you tweet a bunch of stuff, you post videos, and you can post content, whatever. So it works exactly the same way as Twitter. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and find yourself some products, right? And you also need to create a storefront. There are a couple of ways to do this. I'm going to show you some examples and then we'll go ahead and create one. So the example I'm showing you is this one. So this is Lily's storefront. This is her main account, right? Now, you will notice that you can't actually put any options over here. Like you can put like your site over here, and you can also pin your comment and pin your site as well. So this is how it works. This is an example, of course. People on Instagram are doing it as well. People on Twitter are doing it as well. People on TikTok as well. So a lot of people are doing this. So what you do is you find these cool little products that you can pretty much easily find on Amazon or whatever. They're pretty much cheap. They're not even expensive, and they're easy to use. And then you basically just showcase you using those products, like in this entire video. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You just find the product, show yourself using that product, like highlight its features. And there you go. Like this little bag, it's pretty helpful as well. And people will want that. And it's probably quite cheap as well. So it won't even cost that much. And people will buy it. And it works exactly the same. So that's how you can find these types of products. And if you want to create a storefront, you can see right here, Lily is using a bio site. So we can create a very similar option as well, bio.site, which is pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how you can create this. You can also use some other options as well, but we'll get into that. So this is bio sites, right? Here you can create your own sites within bios. You can stand out, sell content, and analyze everything. It's quite simple. And you can sign up for free as well. So we're going to go ahead and sign up for free. We're going to click on this button right here or click on create a free bio site. It totally depends on you. And then here you claim your username. So type in your username like that, and then hit the next button. Okay, so it's not available. Say this is available and hit the next button. And also this is powered by Squarespace. That's why we had to log in into Squarespace as well. So once that's done, boom, you should be good to go. So then it's going to give you some different templates to choose from, right? So we got all these different templates. You can go ahead and select whichever template you want. So this, I think, looks pretty simple, pretty, unique as well. They're all pretty similar, but this one also looks pretty cool. This one could work as a, like a portfolio, like a bio and stuff like that. But if you want to like create a shop, I think this one would look much better. So we're going to go with this one. So we're going to click on this one and try this template. And now we just simply add our image and make our own site. So we're going to upload some images. So go with some caps, because why not? And we'll add our name over here and then hit the next button. And then we add our socials. And then hit the next button, and then we can add links to our content. If you have one, you can click over here and like add it, but we'll skip that for now. And boom, we are good to go. So then you have your site ready, and then you can share it. So then you can continue editing it as well, but let's go ahead and continue editing it. Then we can add our options. So we got digital downloads, right? Appointments, links, text box, videos, socials, pros, and product links as well. So here in the product link section, we can click on the product link and basically upload our products. So we can choose the layout as well. So how we want our products to be laid out. I think this looks pretty cool. It'll have like a different section. Then here you can add title and add the products by clicking on this button and add product. If you will have like an import list, go ahead and click on the import list and then connect your Square storefront and you can import them. It's as simple as that. So what I'll do is, so here we have my Shopify store, right? So what we'll do is I'll open up my store, right? Open it up over here, go into the product section, copy the links of the products that I have over here, right? So we got all these different products as an example. So we'll go ahead and open this up, copy this link, right? Come back here, and then we'll add the product. So we'll paste the product URL, and then we'll copy the names and everything. So name is over here, Atlas leather jacket, copy that, come back here, paste that there, like that. And yeah, I think this is okay. And we'll just say black leather jacket, leather jacket, black. Copy that, go back here and paste that in the description, and boom, we got that. So we should be good to go. If we click on advanced, we got cards as well. We can add a whole bunch of cards, but I think this is okay for now. I'm not sure if it'll go ahead and import the product images on its own. because we did put the link here, but yeah, we'll go ahead and click on update, see how it looks like, right? We can also put cards as well if you want, but that's how this one looks like. So, but yeah, go back here and pretty simple, right? Then we have our product links here. We can add more product links as well. Just go ahead and add them one by one. But here we have digital downloads. If you have like a digital product that you want to upload, like make people download, like wallpapers or canvases, courses, webinar, whatever it is, you can upload them here. And here we have the product links as well. So pretty cool. And you can upload them as well. So this is how it looks like. So here you will have links to your, well, websites. This is going to be your product link. This is going to be your profile link and everything. And these are like more sections as well. And here on the left hand side, this is going to be the style. You can change the themes of it, and you can go with the darker theme, right? Like this one. And these are your analytics over here. See how many likes you have, stuff like that. This is going to be your payment sections, or yeah, payment section over here that you can add as well. So pretty cool. It does look a little bit weird since we don't have a bunch of stuff over here. We only have one social that we added. Don't have a lot of links over here, but you can add the links as well. So what we'll do is we'll move them, or we'll remove them by just simply clicking on that button. And there, we'll get rid of that as well. And we only need one of them, which is over here. So can I put images here? I don't think I can. We'll go with that. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't put images over here, but we can put multiple product image. And I don't think I copied the image, pasted it. And okay, we need to click the check button. I forgot to check the, click on that button. And now we have the leather jacket right here. So now we can add multiple different ones. Now if I wanted to add image, I click on it and we can add the image over here. We can even show the price as well. So this is the image. Let me open it up in another tab and save it, right? Save that there. Come back here, upload the image like that. Yeah, I think this is okay. Click on save. And we should have the image. There you go. That looks much better. Now, if we go back, we can go ahead and change the cards, change it to however we want it to. So I think this looks much better. So that way we can now add multiple different product links within our store. So one is down. Let's go ahead and add another one. Scroll down, click on the link section, come back here. I do think that I have another product, which is I think a cap or a glove. Yeah, we have a glove. So Atlas leather glove. That's the name of this. So open this up as well and download the image, paste that there, and then copy the link. Go back here, click on it, paste the link. Okay. And we'll go with the glove, black. Yeah, that looks much better. And then here in the link section, we'll upload the image of the glove. And there we go. Click on save, and we can click on the show price as well. There we go. So that looks much better. And then for this one as well, we can go with the card section and view it like that. Or this one, or this one, or this one. Totally depends on you, but you can even show it like this. So there you go. It's pretty simple. Next, you just simply go ahead and click on the update button over here. And this is your, well, bio link. Open it up, copy it, and this is how it looks like, right? Copy that and then come into your thread section, go into your posts, and just post it over here in your profile picture as well. So you can also edit the profile and add that here in the bio as well. Right, whatever you want in the link section, just paste the link of it over here and my store, and then hit the done button, and you will have a store ready as well. And people can go over here onto your profile, click on your store link, and boom, you are good to go. You can see right there. So that's how you do it. That's how you can create a storefront with threads and how you can sell digital products. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.